it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off the vlog. It is the weekend and you guys can probably already guess where I'm going. I'm going to get my hair done. I am so tired this morning. I actually went out with my brother and some of his friends last night, and I didn't like stay out late. It's just I was so tired from work. Like if I go out on a Friday, I'm always just like so tired. I am currently going to get my hair done, and today we're gonna go a little bit darker with my hair. I always say this and then I get in the chair and then I'm like, oh, well, maybe I do like it blonder, but I think I just want to give my hair kind of a break, and I've been like missing the darker hair. I'm not gonna go completely fully dark. I still want to keep some of the blonde pieces in there, but I want to be predominantly dark, so we're gonna go do that. And yeah, I have some stuff I have to shoot for Instagram today, but I'm honestly feeling just so time of the month, you know, and I'm just not feeling it like at all today. Like doing anything is just honestly making me like I don't want to do anything. But I want to do like a little Instagram shoot for like just a quick little last minute costume, and then I think my brother's having friends over tonight. But other than that, I do want to share with you guys my Halloween costume that I wore to work and for our costume contest, and I got second place. So I'm gonna insert that footage here so that you guys can see it. Everyone, it is Thursday. I am dressed up for work today. I am Darla from Finding Nemo, and I'm gonna show you guys my full costume once I get to work because it's kind of hard to show you guys, but I think I did pretty good. Kind of all last minute. I literally put this together within seconds, like within a day, because not seconds, but within a day, because I ordered stuff from Amazon. It wasn't gonna come in time, so then I'm like, okay, what's in my closet? What can I use? I have a button up, I have a plaid skirt. It's not yellow like she wears, but it does the job. So yeah, and then I have for my braces and like big head wire set that they have around her, I'm using a silver tinsel, and I have a little fish that's like Nemo. So I'm really excited to put this together, but first I'm gonna go stop at Starbucks and get a coffee because your girl needs a coffee, and head to work, and I'm gonna take pictures, and I kind of want to do a TikTok, so I'm gonna make my coworker film my TikTok. So see you guys at work. Okay guys, so I figured I'd show you the other part of my costume because I'm sitting in the parking lot at work before I go in. This is what I used for like the headset stuff that she wears, the headgear for her braces. It's literally just silver tinsel that I got at the Walmart, actually, not Dollar Tree, because they didn't have any. And then I have my little bag that has my little Finding Nemo toy from the Dollar Tree. It's so cute. And I'm gonna change bags when I get into work because this one's like all smashed because it was like my test one, and this is like itching me like a lot. And then yeah, so, and it looks like there is like a rollover crash up ahead, so I'm gonna get off here, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so I just am finished getting my hair done. As you guys can see, it is way darker. It's like honestly different in every light that I go in. Like some areas look like blonder, and I don't know, I just like look so much better. I kind of like really miss my dark hair, but I also didn't want to go like super dark drastically, so this is what we did. I'm running over to Target because I have to pick up a few things, and then I'm gonna come home and get ready and put makeup on. And I wanted to take a photo for like Halloween, so yeah, we're gonna try to do that, and then I have to take some Instagram photos. So I'm gonna go ahead and run to Target, and I might grab like a Diet Coke from McDonald's because I'm craving one. So yeah, this is my hair. Just checking in with the vlog. Over to Target. I have some stuff I have to do for YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff today that has to be done. So morning I was dragging, so we're trying to turn this morning around. So it's not even morning, it's 1 o'clock now. I was at the salon for a very long time. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to Target. Okay guys, so I just got home and checked the mail. I went and grabbed myself a vanilla shake from Portillo's because I was kind of craving just a vanilla shake, and that's what we got. So as you guys can see, I don't have my hair like completely styled. I just have it blown out. I'm gonna get ready and start doing my like Halloween makeup because I just kind of want to do something smoky and dark just to fit the vibes. I went ahead and checked the mail and I did get a package, and I got 2 designer dupe bags sent to me, so I'm gonna share them with you guys. So these are the boxes that they came in. They look like this. This is Louis Vuitton. Both of the bags that I got are Louis Vuitton. So we have this one. So this first one you have here is it came all packaged in this clear packaging, and then you do get a dust bag with these bags. So it looks like this. It says Louis Vuitton, and here is the bag. So I got the little like fanny pack crossbody bag. It looks like this. The leather on this is so good. I'm loving the leather quality on the actual LV part. It looks really, really good. And then you have the strap up here. And then you have the long strap that's adjustable. So I don't know if you guys can see on camera, the red on this one is coming up a little bit too like vibrant for me, but I'm hoping that with over time it gets a little bit darker. So we'll just throw it on. I would have to adjust the strap, but I see a lot of people wearing them like this, and they're so cute. It's a really good quality bag. All of the little LV parts are here. Again, the only thing I have with this bag is the little red part, but other than that, it's a really, really nice bag, and you can adjust the strap like I said. So I love that all these bags come with the dust bag and also like the box like this, because it just makes it a lot easier when storing it or putting it in, you know, your handbag collection, or if you want to display it some way. I like to always keep my bags protected, so I keep them usually in the box in the dust bag unless I had like a bigger space to put them. And I will go ahead and link the bag seller information down below in the description box. So the next one that I have is another Louis Vuitton, because Louis Vuitton is like one of my favorite designers, and I also really love like Chanel. I just love all designers, but if I had to pick one, I always love a good LV bag. So here is like that receipt looking stuff that you get for your bags that were thrown in here. And then again, here's the next one. It comes in a box with the dust bag that says Louis Vuitton. This dust bag feels a little bit different than that one. Let me pull out this bag, because this one I didn't even like undo any of this stuff. So here is the bag. Let me go ahead and take off this stuff off these straps. Okay, so here's the bag. This is the front of it. It looks like this. It's a nice black pebbled leather bag, as you guys can see. You have the little top handle so you can carry the bag like this. And you also have a strap that comes inside that looks like this, which I can go ahead and open this one up as well. Here is the strap on this one. Again, the strap just matches the black pebbled leather. So you would go ahead and just link it on to your bag here. Then, let me just take a look at this. It has like the little LV card information in here. But how I would put this bag is worn like this, so you can see the little LV logo there. It's really, really nice, really good quality. The perfect like small little bag for the winter. I'm obsessed with this one. I know my mom has been loving this one, so I'm probably gonna give this one to her for her to use, but again, I'll be using it. But I love the black. It's a really nice, good quality bag. I honestly think the quality on this one might be a smidge better than the fanny pack, but overall, really good quality. Again, I will link the seller information down below in the description box if you guys are interested in getting any of these. I'm gonna go ahead. I didn't get anything else in the mail today. I do have some other items. I got a package from Dia & Co today, so I'm gonna film like a little mini haul. There's like 3 items. And I just have some stuff I have to take for Instagram, so I'm gonna try to do that today and tomorrow. Because next weekend, which is the first weekend of November, I have a mirror dry procedure appointment on Thursday, November 4th. So I'm gonna be vlogging that, as well as also like kind of doing another part in my mirror dry series. I have 2 videos already about my mirror dry procedure, so I'm gonna be making a 3rd one this time around. Again, another probably like vlog update style video, and then I'm also just going to give you guys like another month check-in after that. So I'm probably gonna film a few more in the mirror dry procedure because I'm getting a second procedure because I need it. I have very excessive sweating under my arms, you guys. Like, I've talked about this before, but the sweat is definitely reduced, but it's not what I want it to be. So definitely getting the second one, which I already had scheduled, and I'm just hoping and praying that I don't have to have another one because this is expensive. It's not covered by insurance, and I need it because I hate the sweating, you guys. I hate it, and I'm still sweating under my arms, so we're gonna get the second one. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face because it's just feeling like super oily, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my Halloween makeup and trying to film some stuff. So I'm just gonna put together like a little bit of like a glam witch Halloween costume just so I can post tomorrow on Halloween, something like festive and cute. I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow. I'm babbling. I need to go do my makeup and my hair. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so I finished doing my makeup. This is what I came up with. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one, and then I used like this glitter shade that I got in a BoxyCharm. I'm wearing black lipstick from like literally Wet n Wild, their Halloween collection stuff. Looks like that. I just put on these feathery earrings, and I put on some black gloves that I used for my Audrey Hepburn costume 2 years ago. And that was my little witch costume. You can literally do any black dress, but I wanted to kind of make it like a glam witch, so I loved it. I'm gonna take off this lipstick, put on like a nude color because I want to do some more TikToks, and I was doing like one for my hair because it's like way darker. We're loving it. But yeah, so my battery is flashing at me, so I need to go charge it and finish filming these TikToks. Hi everyone, so it is Sunday, October 31st. It is Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone that celebrates. I am putting our little candy bowl over here by the door with our candy for the trick-or-treaters. And I just finished taking a picture for Instagram for this little workout set, which I'll show you guys here in the vlog as well. Let me get my little card. So my mom's over here in the kitchen making sauce. Mom, say hi to everybody.
Yeah, hello.
It's been a while. Mom misses being on camera. No. So I wanted to show you guys this workout set. So this is by the brand Just Strong on Instagram. I will link their stuff down below. Here are the pants. These are what they look like. They're just black leggings. They're like a thin material here, like very breathable, and then this is like a thicker fabric up here. It really kind of like sucks in. So if you guys can see, like clearly my hip dips are showing, but just cute little workout set, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Since I put on makeup, I'm gonna do some more Instagram content and take pictures for the week because like I said earlier in this vlog, I'm getting my second mirror dry procedure on Thursday, which I'm gonna be vlogging that as well, just to do another mirror dry video because I still get a lot of questions on my original mirror dry video, so I figured I would do another one when I go for the second one and do like a whole separate video on that. So stay tuned because that will be coming very soon. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do some Instagram stuff so that I have enough content for the week. And yeah, so I'll chat with you guys when something exciting happens or when I have some updates for the vlog. Hi guys, so it is later in the day on Sunday. I just finished doing some content for Instagram. I'm currently responding to emails and getting just caught up for the next week. I'm also watching Halloween Town. I'm like doing the most right now, multitasking like crazy, watching Halloween Town because I didn't get to watch it yet, and today's Halloween. I'm also snacking on some port wine cheese. Have you guys ever had this before? It's not the healthiest, but I don't really care because it's so good. It's port wine cheese with Ritz crackers are like my favorite thing ever, so I'll just show you guys. It's just so I put some cheese on there. So good. Literally perfection. So I'm just gonna respond to some emails, get some stuff done, and then after that I'm probably gonna start cleaning up my room because it's really messy, and I don't want to start my week with a messy room because it just drives me nuts. So, and then I'm probably gonna start editing this video. So this is like a little vlog. Hopefully I could have it up tomorrow, which is November 1st. So I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys want me to do more vlogs, give this video a thumbs up. I definitely will. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys my nails. I just went with like a reddish, like brown color. Love it. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more vlogs, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, lets me know that you guys are digging the vlogs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. It's listed down below. I am on TikTok as well, but I'm most active on Instagram, so definitely check me out over there. We're getting close to 10K on Instagram, so I'm trying my hardest to hit that before the end of the year. So I'm gonna work really, really hard on my Instagram content. So anyways, I'm babbling. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming, and happy Halloween. Bye guys.